input and output. You will learn. Student will be able to understand the concept of in and out. Differentiate between in and out. Relate the concept of in and out with the computer. Define input using the examples of day-to-day activities. Define output using the examples of day-to-day activities. Fruits go in. Juice comes out. Some more examples of input and output devices. Input devices: keyboard, joystick, mouse. Output devices: speakers, monitor, printer.
This boy is putting the bread into the toaster. Since the bread is going in the toaster, it is input. Here the boy is taking the toast out of the toaster. Since the toast is coming out, it is output. Let's learn a few good habits.
Good habits: never keep any food items near the computer, as it might spoil the parts of the computer.
Now let's learn more about input and output. When we type something on the keyboard, it goes into the computer, and so it is input. When we type something on the keyboard, the monitor shows it on the screen. So what we get on the monitor is output.
More to know. We can also work on the system without using a keyboard by changing the monitor to touchscreen. Keywords: in, out, input, output.